Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with Look Fantastic for June and July, and also a free sample bag that I got with some orders that I placed a while ago. Probably you saw them, those two limited edition boxes. Anyway, they sent me a free gift, is this bag with samples, and let's see what's in this. When they have a gift, they don't send it with the order, they always send in a different shipment. And let's see what's this one. In this one I have the Strivectin Nia 114, and this is Advanced Intense Concentrate for Wrinkles and Stretch Marks, is this sample. Once in a while they have those small bags, and here is the size of this. Once in a while they have those small bags as a free gift. Then we have here Belly Basics. This one is clearly coconut oil, all natural, which looks like this. Is the first time when I'm seeing this one. Also in this bag came from Fito. It's another hair product, and this one is Color Protect Radiance shampoo. It's a big size also for a sample. And three more things in here. One is Kerastase, which is a great brand and not cheap at all. Kerastase, this one is I believe it's a shampoo, Balm in shampoo, is this one right here, a good brand. And also we have from Alterna, we have antifreeze butter, and I got this one in a deluxe sample in one of the boxes that I opened recently. I don't even remember what box was that, but anyway, another sample. And June Jacobs, this one is Mandarin moisture mask, which looks like this. So it's nice when they send all these samples as a free gift. Not complaining about that. Here is the bag. I didn't know why I got an extra box from them. Anyway, let's go ahead and see the boxes for June and July. Look Fantastic, it's a subscription that I'm planning to keep. Here is the June one and here is the July one, two of them. Let's go ahead and see first what I have in the June one. I like the print on this box, the blue print. It's a lovely one. We have the card in here as usual, and I like to look on the back on the card. If you have the Look Fantastic box, look on the back and you'll see one product that comes in the next month. We have a Kerastase product which is supposed to be in this box, and we'll see if it's there. Probably it is. Anyway, here is the card. I'm looking at my battery. If you see me looking somewhere else, it's my battery. As always, comes with the L magazine, and I'll leave that one away. Here is the box with the blue paper, the navy, I would say, color. And let's see what's in this one. We have the products in here. So far I see two brands that I like. One of them is Real Chemistry. This is the environmental rescue essential day cream. For a reason I thought is that 3-minute peel, which I really like, but this is the cream, so I can use after that peeling treatment. Anyway, it's this size, it's very cute as shape. First product in here, and it seems to be a good box for me. Of course, there is a Rituals product, Ritual of Dao, which is probably one of my favorite. This one and the Ritual of Sakura. Ritual of Dao, this is the calming line. This one is, it's a body cream, and I just got another size like this in that kit that I got from Romania. A great one. Lovely to get that one. Another favor of mine, this is LMS Superfood facial wash. It's a good size for a sample. I love LMS. They are kind of expensive to buy in a full size, but I'm happy to get them in boxes. And I bought also from FabFitFun some kits with LMS products. I don't think I had the face wash from them, but this comes to complete the kit that I have. Then another product that I was talking many times in my unboxing, this is the Christopher, probably you pronounce it like this, Christopher Robin is cleansing volumizing paste. It's a hair product, and I heard just very good things about this brand. We have also in here, it's Studio 10, and this one is, let me see if I have in the card, because I don't know what's this one. Studio 10, it's liquid foil radiance. It's an eyeshadow, and let me try to open this. Okay, looks like a rosy gold color. Here is the shade of this one. Lots of glitter in this one also. And here is the color. I like this one. It's a pretty gold. Good product also in the box. Then we have here, and I have all the blue from those worms. Everything is blue. This is Vita Liberata. It's a tanning product. This is fabulous. Self-tanning gradual lotion. Comes very often in boxes. I didn't have the courage to try them yet. Probably I will, because I got many samples, and I heard this is a good brand, and I really like this eyeshadow. It's very pretty. And the last item in here, it's from Madeira or something like that, organic skincare. It's instant moisture radiance hydra mask. Here is the box of this one, and the product, it's somewhere here, is this tiny guy, which looks like this. So far I like this month box. If you watch my channel, you know I have here some of my favorite products. But so far we have this face mask, we have this tanning product from Vita Liberata, whatever how you call that brand. We have an eyeshadow which is really pretty. I like the shade of this one. LMS, nothing more to talk about, a favorite brand of mine. We have Christopher Robin, a hair product, a face cream from Real Chemistry, and of course an all-time favorite, Ritual of Dao body cream. So great box for June, lovely for me. And let's see the July one. Let's see also if we have the Kerastase product in that one, in this one. Here is the card in gold. And let's see what's coming in August. In August we'll get Filbri Look Fantastic. It's molten brown, delicious rhubarb and rose bath and shower gel. Is this one right here. I got another one or two in the advent calendars, if I remember right. This is a lovely shower gel, which is expensive like crazy, way too expensive to buy it in a full size, at least for me. I wanted to get the advent calendar in December, but it was 250 and I quit the idea. So far I'm getting samples in boxes. Anyway, a good product for next month. I didn't tell you the theme of this month. They say here in the June, individually we are one drop, together we are an ocean, is this one. Lovely saying. And for July we have Komorebi, sunlight filtering into the trees, the interplay between light and leaves. Here is the theme for this month. Of course, Elle magazine, as usually. The box inside, black pepper this time. And here are the products. Of course, the first one is the Kerastase, and this one is Kerastase Reflection Bane Chromatic. It's a shampoo, multi-protecting shampoo, and it's also a good size for a sample. Then we have Filorga, another brand that comes in Look Fantastic boxes, UV Bronze. This is Gel Nutri, it's a Nutri Soothing Tan Booster Gel. This one right here, it seems like Look Fantastic send us to the beach. We have from First Aid Beauty, we have the face cleanser. Right there, we have a Douche product, this time it's a highlighter. And this one is in the shade Sparked Ray. And let's see how this one looks. Here is the box. Those are great to put in a Z palette. And here is the shade of this one. Here is the shade of this. I don't know if you can see it's right here. It's pretty. Anyway, this is the highlighter. And what else we have in here? I see this tiny guy, which is SVR. This one is purifying and exfoliating soap-free cleanser. Is this tiny guy? What else? Do we have something else? Yes, we have a Lancer product. This is Omega Hydrating Oil. Is this one? I just put in my project pen from the same brand from Lancer. I had the face polish, which is amazing, lovely, lovely, lovely. And this is the oil, will come to complete that skincare regimen, if I can say that. We'll try this one and we'll see how this one works. So far it's a great brand, and that's kind of all for July. As I said before, we have the Douche highlighter, and seems to be like kind of a full size. Anyway, will last a long time. We have a highlighter, we have the Kerastase shampoo, we have Filorga. This is Nutri Soothing Tan Booster Gel, Lancer face oil. This is a cleanser, and we have another cleanser in here from First Aid Beauty. Is this one? So another nice box from Look Fantastic. My favorite product probably in this box is the Lancer Hydrating Oil, we'll try how that one works. This is the one that I want to try. This is all for July. Let me know what you think about the boxes. If you have the subscription, what do you like? What did you like from those 2 months for June and July? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon with, of course, another unboxing. Thank you for your time, and we'll talk about another beauty boxes in my next video. You have a great day. Bye bye.